The domination on the stars has never been an old thinking for us humans. For a long time, there was this speculation that there is no other life forms in the universe as intelligent as the humans. But as we slowly uncovered the mysteries of the universe, we came to a new crossroad of theories and questions. According to a new research, it is clear that we are not alone. There are life beings in this universe along with us, but they are light years away from us. But are they? Whenever scientists start a quest for the answer of such mind-boggling and unnerving questions, they look for the possibilities and theorize to move ahead. Not too long ago, Nottingham University set up a team of scientists in order to resolve the mystery of aliens and came up with a tentative conclusion that, like on Earth, for any life to exist, it would take about 5 billion years or maybe more. After that, they examined the planets in our Milky Way that may support life one way or another. They search for planets which have the optimum temperature and distance from the nearer stars, like our Sun, in order to sustain life. They concluded that if we can say we are the smartest being in the Milky Way, then maybe some billions light years away, there might be life equal or more intelligent than us. All that we know about space and interplanetary voyages and life on other planets is by the well-designed science fiction novels and movies of Hollywood we have been watching since our childhood, inculcating an idea, a fear, and excitement all in one. But do we really have a scientific evidence to prove this? The only scientific information and evidence we have is from Frederick Drake, an expert astronomer. When he started back in 1961, he compiled his data as a result of his research. Drake equation, as associated with Frederick Drake's name, his research and theories paved the way for the scientists and others to calculate how many life beings coexist with us in this galaxy or universe who are capable of maintaining communication with us. But the University of Nottingham didn't consult Drake and went on straightforward question, a very simple statement, that is, how many years would it take to develop life anywhere? According to experts, if we can get the answers of this question, we can formulate an equation and carry on to calculate how many life beings are present in our galaxy and beyond. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to contact such beings. We love to call them as aliens. The 36 civilizations that the scientists presume to exist could be at 17,000 light years away from us, and 1 light year is about 6 billion miles. But if life does exist in space and in planets other than Earth, then we can calculate the possibility of many other civilizations and also analyze how much time our own planet is left with us. We can only prove the existence of aliens when we encounter them, or theirs, by satellite or radio transmissions. The technological revolution on Earth came just 2 centuries ago. The scientists and experts fear that if we receive their signal or transmission first, then we are way behind them in technology, and they probably will surpass us in the near future, might dominate us as well. But if we could not maintain any contact with aliens, then we truly are alone in this dark void called the universe, and we will probably be alive for a few more decades until we vanish away in the scrolls of history, forgotten. But humans cannot be disheartened so easily. Anything can turn the tide over, and that too may be near. Recently, a powerful space telescope called James Webb has been launched in space to unveil the dark secrets of the universe. It was launched from a base in French Guiana through a set of Ariane 5 rockets and released after 15,000 kilometers away in the space. This project took about 30 years to be completed, equipped with the best technology and the strongest and most advanced instruments that we have at our disposal. It is considered the greatest scientific plan of the 21st century. The scientists are hopeful that James Webb Telescope will discover those stars that have been alight since the beginning. It will also unveil all those sections of space that the Hubble telescope could not see. One of the most interesting talks about James Webb Telescope is that it can analyze and assess the environment and atmosphere of any planet from miles away and can tell whether it can sustain life or may have life. When it is fully operational, we can see the first image of what it captures after about 6 months. The question comes that if aliens do exist in the far corners of the universe and they are technologically equal or advanced than us, then can James Webb Telescope attract them towards itself and ultimately humans? If this does happen, it would be the discovery of the century. Let us assume that it found such civilization. Will it be possible for humans to go on a full manned mission to encounter the aliens in future? All the answers are now tied to the fate of James Webb and the image and data that is transmitted back. As we mentioned, that when James Webb Telescope is fully functional, it would send pictures and data back to us in 6 months. And an intelligent alien species are discovered and they too notice us. Would they like to establish contact with us? Would they consider us friends or treat us as enemies? Is it possible that they do exist like we do here on Earth, fighting between each other to assert dominance? Are they keen on unveiling the mysteries of the universe, or they wish to be left alone, undisturbed? James Webb is a great human invention. It is the correct following of the craze that the humans had for centuries trying to discover the universe, and all this began on the same day when man gazed the night sky with never-ending temptation of questions and fear that started to fold over him, and soon made telescope to see it better. And the power of the telescope kept on upgrading, and now it is wandering in the universe as the substitute of the human eye. If aliens do exist and they too are in the quest for unveiling the mysteries of the universe, then our encounter with them will be very interesting. Godspeed, James Webb. Our hopes lie with you.
If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do so. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook. Your like would be appreciated.